Well, if you missed A1, that right there is Logan Karnow on the back of the Alpinestars medical team buggy, whatever you want to call it, because of the crash into turn one, caused by Friese. Right there, he got his foot stuck into the front wheel and it twisted right around. I don't know actually what it was, dislocated ankle or something like that. Something not great, pretty much ruined his whole season. Your first race gone. But from then, we have this, which if you want to stop and read it, you can. This was Karnow's DM to Vince Friese, which, stop and read it. It's kind of funny. And then that's the instant response. And you can say, oh, maybe he was already blocked. But no, if you look at the first picture, you can see that Vince Friese did see it. And then coming off the back of that, you have this. This comes from J-Law, Jason Lawrence, which again, stop and read it if you want. It's actually pretty funny to read all this because J-Law is not exactly the, how you want to say, pillar of civility or whatever in the sport. But it was, to me, it's funny. Somebody had to say it. Somebody had to just sit there and go on and be like, what are you doing? You're being a moron. You're causing people to crash, whether it's directly or indirectly. Like, there's no reason for it. And hopefully, obviously, Freezy's done this for years. Like that's not going to change anything. But it's just somebody had to come out and say it. And I think Karnow got a lot of heat for it, for just being like, why are you posting? If this is a direct message, it should just be between the two of you. And it's like, who cares if he wants to post his own direct message? To me, that's something you're writing. If you want to put it out there, it's fully on you, and who cares? I don't know. I think it's somebody had to come out and say it because if you're taking out people, multiple people in one race, or doing just stupid passes and stuff, and it makes no sense. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, one, do you think that, how do I remember this, that Karnow had the right, or was right in posting his own DM, or do you think it's stupid, or whatever? Is it, I know it's not going to change anything, but whatever. Leave your opinion in the comments below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.